Good day, students. Today we will learn general knowledge subject for standard 1. Today's topic is Know the nature. So, children, see this picture. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is a sun. You can see sun in the sky. It arises in the early morning. Next, this is a moon. You can see moon in the night. The shape of the moon is circle. The shape of the moon goes on decreasing day by day, and after that it will increase day by day. Please observe the moon in the sky. Next is stars. Have you seen the star in the sky? Yes. You can see so many stars in the sky. This is a mountain. You can see mountain in the hilly area. This is field. Farmer working in the field for us. This is forest. Children, in the forest you can see so many trees and so many animals. Next is cloud and rain. Children, see these white color clouds in this picture, and also you can see rain. This is river. River carries fresh water to people, plant and animals all across the world. This is fish. Fish lives only in a water. Okay, students? See these pictures carefully. Thank you, students.